This pose in particular, as the name would indicate, works on stretching off the tissues, the fascia, the muscles, the hamstrings. When the other leg is straight, also open up the hip flexors. With the foot flexed back, also working a little bit of what used to be termed a neural stretch. The advantage of this is it takes off a lot of stress and tension in the lower back. So a strap or a towel or something of a similar nature. So it's a straightforward pose to get into. So if you just bend the legs, Tanya. And just get into it, just watch along, just bend the knee and put the strap over the front part of the foot, front arch, and then pull the foot back. So the leg that you're stretching wants to be straight as you can. So you're only lifting it up with the leg straight until you feel that gentle pull, that gentle stretch. Maybe perhaps sink into that stretch slightly and then hold it there. Relaxing the head, the neck, the chest, the arms, the shoulders, the hands as much as you can. Now, as much as it is paying attention to the leg you're stretching, just pay attention to just how straight the other leg on the ground is. In particular, does the knee bend at all? And what you'll find after a few minutes, maybe even a few seconds, 15, 20 seconds, tissues might give, and you can find you can sink further into this pose, further into the stretch. Now, to make it easier, you can simply just bend the other leg. The leg that's on the ground, just put more of a bend, and that takes a lot of the stress, a lot of the strain out of it. Now, in some places they'll advocate bending the leg you're stretching. For me, it's a personal point of view, it's next to useless. Put it straight. If that means you have to lower the leg down, then lower the leg down. You just want mild stress and tension. The reason being, if you put a big bend in the knee that you're stretching, you're effectively just putting the top part of the hamstrings, the proximal aspect of the hamstrings, in stretch. That's the one closest to your bum. And they're in stretch anyway because we tend to sit down a lot. So it's from my point of view, it's very important. The leg is locked out completely, or straight as you can. If that means you have to lower it down a little bit, then lower it down a little bit. And obviously, you do the same on the other side. Hamstring stretch.